Hello friends, this is Nitesh and welcome to my channel Code Heaven. So in the previous video show we have seen a star pattern, like with the star 1 with 2 star, then the 3 star, then the 4 star, then the 5 star. But now what we are going to do in this video, we are going to create another star pattern which is perfectly opposite of that star pattern which we created in our first video. So in this video we are going to achieve this star pattern. In the first row we have 5 star, in second row we have 4 star, in third 3, in fourth 2, and in the fifth row it's a single star. So we need 5 rows basically total. So we do not need to change our loop, uh, which is a row changing loop, because we need total 5 rows. So if we need 5 star in the first row, we need to create this like this, and it should be this. Let's take it like I. If j is equal to I and it always goes to 5, less than equal to 5, and then j plus plus. So basically what it did, uh, after that, we print the star, and after completing this inner for loop we are changing the line. So what it did, the logic behind this is I am initializing the j value with the I, and it always been true if it is less than or equal to 5. So at first the 1 is come. Let me remove this first. So at first, when I comes 1, then in the second for loop, inner for loop, j equals to 1 and j is less than equal to 5, yes. And when j is equals to 1, then this value condition is true and it will print the star. And after that I becomes 2, then j becomes 2, and also it's satisfying the condition, it will print the another star. Yes, it does. Our condition is perfectly fine. It will print the 5 star within the first row, and then in the second row it will print the 4 star. Yes, our condition is perfectly fine. Let me just build and run this logic. Is Yes, it will gives us the correct response, correct result. Like in first row we have 5 star, in second row we have 4, in third we have 3, in fourth we have 2, and in fifth we have 1 star. So yes, let's go through the logic once more. We have initialized the loop first with the help of I, which is equal to 1, and I is less than equal to 5. Yes, condition is satisfied, and I plus plus. So I becomes 1 here. So after that, in the row 5, in the line number 5, we initialize the j value, which is equal to I. So if I equal to 1, then j is also equal to 1, and then if j is equal to 1, then this condition is satisfied, because 1 is less than equal to 5. Yes, 1 is less than 5 obviously. And then we j plus plus, then we print a star. So it will print a star at that time, and then the j loop, the for loop, which is on the line number 5, runs again with the value 2 at this time of j, and then the condition is again satisfied, then it will print the another star. Then j is equal to 3, the condition will also satisfied, it will print the third star. So yes, uh, till 5 it will print the star, and when j is equal to 6, then this condition is not satisfied, it will come out from the loop and it will change the line, and then I becomes 2 because the line number 4 we have initialized the for loop with I equal to 1, but at this time I is plus plus, then I becomes 2 and it came here down at the line number 5, and then j becomes 2 because I equals to 2, that's why j becomes 2, and again j is less than equal to 5. Yes, condition satisfied because j is equal to 2 at this time, and 2 is less than equal to 5. Yes, completely correct. So it will print a star. Then the j become 3, it will also print a star. Then j becomes 4, it will again print the star. Then j becomes 5, it will again print the star. So basically 4 star printed, and after that j becomes 6. So if j becomes 6, then this condition is not satisfied, it will come out from the inner loop and change the line, and this process will be continue till the I value becomes 6, then it came out from the loop, from the outer loop. And I hope you will understand, you guys understood the logic completely. Let me build and run this again, and here is the output which is uh, which we have achieved. So yes, I hope you understood the logic of this second number of star pattern. uh, Thank you so much, thank you for watching my videos, and please like and subscribe it.